Welcome to our channel where we delve into the fascinating world of art and its many forms. Today we're taking you on an intriguing voyage into the realm of glassmaking. This journey traces the transformation of simple raw materials into stunning pieces of art, revealing the skill and craftsmanship behind every shimmering piece of glass. So the process of making glass is both an art and a science, and it's our pleasure to guide you through it. So sit back and enjoy as we embark on this enlightening journey of making glass. To begin with, every art form starts with raw materials. In the case of glass, it's sand. Yes, believe it or not, the transparent marvel that is glass originates from something as commonplace as sand. But it's not just any sand. The chief ingredient in glass making is silica sand, known for its high purity and consistency. Yet, sand alone does not make glass. A few other ingredients come into play to modify the properties of the glass and make it more suitable for its final purpose. Lime, for instance, is often added to the mix. It gives the glass stability, preventing it from dissolving in water or deteriorating when exposed to atmospheric conditions. Soda, on the other hand, is used to lower the melting point of the sand, making the glass making process more energy efficient. From the shores and quarries to our everyday lives, these humble materials undergo a remarkable transformation. Now that we have our raw materials, let's heat things up a bit. The magic of glass making really happens in the furnace, a hot and fiery place. This is where the raw materials we discussed earlier, sand, soda ash, and limestone, get their time to shine. The furnace, often heated to temperatures as high as 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, is the heart of the glass making process. Picture a fiery cauldron filled with these raw materials, all waiting to be transformed. As the heat intensifies, the sand, soda, ash, and limestone begin to react with each other. The sand melts down to a liquid state, while the soda ash reduces the sand's melting point, allowing the process to occur at lower temperatures. Limestone, on the other hand, makes the glass stronger and more durable. It's a beautiful dance of chemistry, with each element playing its part to perfection. The result of this fiery ballet is a thick, molten substance, a glowing river of potential that's ready to be molded into any form we desire. This molten substance, this liquid glass, is not just a product of heat and raw materials. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our ability to harness the elements and create something beautiful from the raw and unrefined. With our materials melted and mixed, it's time to give this molten substance some shape. Was my sunky eggy section from the furnace, so the molten glass is then carefully manipulated into its desired shape. This process is an intricate dance between heat, gravity, and human touch. There are a few different methods used to shape the glass, each one lending itself to unique outcomes. One popular method is glass blowing. In this process, a glass maker inflates molten glass with a blowpipe, shaping it with tools and hand movements. It's a mesmerizing display of skill and control as the artist teases intricate shapes out of the glowing molten material. Another method is casting, where molten glass is poured into a mold. The glass then takes on the shape of the mold as it cools. This method is often used for creating larger, more complex pieces. Pressing is another technique, where a plunger is used to press the glass into a mold. This is a common method for making glassware and other utilitarian items. But the process doesn't end with shaping. The glass is then slowly cooled in a process called annealing. This is a crucial step that relieves internal stresses within the glass. Without annealing, the glass would be prone to cracking and shattering. The glass is cooled slowly, sometimes over a period of several days, depending on the size and complexity of the piece. And there you have it, from raw sand to a beautiful piece of glass art. So that in a nutshell is how glass is made. From the gathering of raw materials such as sand and limestone to the intense heat of the furnace, transforming these elements into a molten state. Then comes the artistry of shaping this fiery liquid into a myriad of forms, followed by a careful cooling process. Every stage is integral, every detail vital, crafting the transparent marvel we often take for granted. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of art.